Hi, welcome to my craft tutorial on how to make a wine cork wreath using a cardboard form. This is actually my third attempt at making this wreath. The first attempt was used with these synthetic corks, and I found out this is all the hot glue, and I tried using craft glue like Aleene's, and I also tried using some E6000. All of the corks, as you can see here, the wreath turned out pretty nicely. We hung it on the door, and within a few days, the heat of the sun started causing the corks to drop right off of the wreath. So we kept hearing, these thunks and pings, and we'd open the door, and there were more corks laying down there. So, and as you can see too, these synthetic guys, they just don't hold the glue very well. Let's see if I can find an example here. Yeah, they come right off, and this is the hot glue. It just comes right off. So what I did instead, we took all of the ones that were left, and there weren't too many left, off, and I decided to redo it with genuine cork instead. So as you can see, I started, once I took all the old synthetic corks off, I used my craft X-Acto knife, and this guy's very, very sharp, so you want to be careful using him, but just, take it along the side and kind of scrape off any of the big chunky glue left, so we have a nice flat surface to start again. And for this project, I decided I wanted 3 layers on the bottom, and in order to do that, you actually want to